a change. First I'm gonna brush my and here's the final product. This vlog will be super hectic and really random. Welcome to Hangry Cassie and Cece. We're literally eating the gummies.
I think it's supposed to be like a dessert treat.
But for some reason, it's fulfilling my need. Alright, so the lens that I was using was the Canon 50mm, and I'm gonna switch lenses to this lens that is made in USSR, and it was just thrifted.
And I've done this before, but one of the things I have wanting to discuss is that we get on Raw is like share more of his body type,
Is it good? Yeah. I can't vlog the name of the hotel wrong.
Hey, we're here in downtown Vancouver.
Okay, and behind me here is BC Place. The ocean is that way.
How did you know?
Just know. Okay, so we're in downtown Vancouver at the Hampton Hotel, and we're doing a collaboration with them and doing some photos. And this is their rooftop patio section, and we want to come back here during sunrise to take some really cool shots with the buildings in the background and the sky that would fill this whole area.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Cool. Did a quick hair change just now. I had a bun, so I took the bun apart and then I just did like a loose braid in the back, and just to change it up for some of the hair photos. It's pretty exciting just to have these opportunities in life, to be able to work for companies and for them to trust you with their product, and to be able to use this as if this is something that I want to push more as like a career. So Kassinka can be able to travel the world and work with companies and use their design and their vision and put it out there. Okay, so we're at the rooftop and we just finished taking the photos with Cece and I with our blonde and brunette leggings. They turned out super well. Alright, so I'm about to do my hair. So for my hair, I'm gonna do a really simple, clean 3-strand braid across the back here. And then these are leftover loose waves from 3 days ago, I believe, with my Luxie hair extensions in the color blonde balayage. What time is it right now?
4:48.
It is 4:48 a.m. We are ready to go on this sunrise shoot. The sun is supposed to rise at 5:13 a.m. Alright, just a little bit more context to this. Cece was in LA, and this is a hotel chain that was in LA, and she found out that they're in Vancouver too. So she reached out to the marketing person and was like, hey, why don't we do a photo shoot for you guys, because they were using her photos on social media from LA. So reached out to them, and the guy gave us a tour of their new hotel building here, which has been open only for 2 months, so they're still doing a bit of construction. So we're just coming into all of these newly furnished rooms, and this is like the spa center on the 9th floor, and just to take some more of like, what do you call them, like when people are selling their houses, like that type of photography. Interior design photography.
Interior photography, home decor.
Home decor, yeah, like the stuff you would see in magazines and stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. Well, Cece's doing that. And then I'm just taking like outfit photos or cool bathroom photos if I see any that I can use for my blog and website.